Lots of African food is now becoming popular all over the globe. Kids Black History. Hi guys, I'm Maya. Welcome back to another episode of Kids Black History. Today we're looking at fun food facts from Africa. Beautiful food from Africa, and we're going to be telling you all about fun food of Africa. Food from Africa is so diverse and beautiful. Lots of African food is now becoming popular all over the globe. Let's see if we can see Africa, guys. Let's see again. Can you see it? Here's Africa, guys.
So Raya, what's your favourite food to eat?
I like eating rice, orange rice, curry, egg. But I haven't eaten egg before, but I might try it. And yogurt and some bananas and Jamaican bread and croissant and some bread and some brioche.
That's a lot of things that you like to eat, Raya.
I know, there's a lot of things. And the last thing is I like eating ice cream.
Whoa, we all love ice cream.
Yeah, we have the ice cream van. Let's go through these 5 fun food facts from Africa. Number 1, jollof rice is the most known food dish from Africa. This dish hails from West Africa and is extremely popular in Nigeria. It is great for partying. Party. It's also great for gathering. It's made from rice, tomatoes, pepper and onion. Number 2, one of the most eaten food in Africa are fruits. Some of the top fruits in Africa are coconuts, bananas and apricots. Watermelon, however, is the most popular fruit. Like watermelon here. Full of water to keep cool the African heat, because Africa is like so hot right now. When it's dark in our country, it's morning time in Africa right now. And then they drink it some water so it can be cooled down. This fruit is also extremely popular all around the world. Number 3, nuts are widely eaten in Africa. Some of the most common nuts, walnuts, peanuts, and almonds. Nuts are great to eat and they're full of nutrients. You can find nuts everywhere, guys, like bushes or trees, or then you can eat them. Then they will help your teeth to grow, and then their teeth will fall out when people are sick, and then you'll get new adult teeth. Number 4. Africa eats lots of different meat. In Africa, people base their dishes on the meat they are eating. African meat dishes include fish, beef, chicken, and mutton. Meats contain protein and nutrients that gives you energy to get new energy into tummies. Number 5. Africa cooked with seasoning and spices. They're so spicy, guys. African dishes are full of flavor. Flavor comes from all the traditional spices used around the continent. This gives the food so much flavor. Number 6. Africa eats lots of vegetables, which is healthy for you guys. If you don't eat vegetables, that means you will shrink. If you eat vegetables, that means you won't shrink. Africa has the perfect climate for growing vegetables. Then you pick them up there. Those are the vegetables you see, like courgette and corn and some yogurt.
Yogurt? That's not a vegetable!
No, but lettuce but the unhealthy side is lollipops. Chris is unhealthy.
That is unhealthy. But are they vegetables? No.
Vegetables are like courgette.
That's right.
These vegetables originate from Africa. Some of the most common vegetables are okra, yam, and potatoes.
Wow, Raya, that's awesome! So many interesting facts on African food.
Yeah, that's right, guys. We love learning about this amazing continent. We're just talking about food that's making me so hungry. I'm figuring out Jonah fries. I hope you enjoyed the video about some food about Africa. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe now. Subscribe the button down